Hello friend, I'm Somadeep back with new tutorial video regarding r.c.c. So in this video, I discuss the type of steel reinforcement. Last video, I discussed the reinforced material and why we choose the steel as a reinforced material. In case you didn't watch, then definitely here is a I button. Go and check out. So without further delay, let's get started. सो बेसिकली स्टील तो तरह तरह का होता है बट रेनफोर्समेंट के लिए मतलब डिजाइन के लिए हम मेनली स्टील को डिवाइडेड इन 5 पार्ट्स. सो डिवाइडेड इन 5 पार्ट्स. नंबर 1 is your very common, that is mild steel. Oh, one more thing, if you want you can play this video in 1.5x because I am going to very slow for better understanding. Number 2, your HYSD. In many exams they are asking you what do you mean by HYSD. That is why I am saying first abbreviation, then I say the full name. H for high, Y for yield, or some people say yielding, S for strength, D for deformed, HYSD bar. Okay. Then comes to number 3, that is hard drawn steel wire fiber. Mostly we use the HYSD or TMT words. Fourth is your roll steel member. And last is your kind of deformed bar. Further we can classify it in 2 parts. So these are the 5. These are the your 5. One is MS steel, I mean mild steel. Second HYSD bar, जिसका मतलब होता है high yield, strength, deformed bar. Third is hard drawn steel wire bar. Fourth is roll steel member. Fifth is deformed bar. This is the broadly we can classify. Okay. Now mild steel में हम क्या कर सकते हैं? माइल्ड स्टील को हम 2 हिस्से से बांट सकते हैं. वन इज कोल्ड वर्क माइल्ड स्टील बार, MSD में बस ऐसे लिख देता हूं. सेकेंड इज हॉट रोल माइल्ड स्टील बार. सो माइल्ड स्टील को हम 2 हिस्से में बांट दिया फिर से. ओके. अच्छा, HYSD में क्या होता है? जनरली ग्रेड आता है. जैसे कि मान लो FE 415, FE 500, FE 550 दिस. और एक चीज आता है हॉट रोल्ड बार आता है. यहाँ पे मान लो रोल स्टील में हॉट रोल बार, हॉट रोल डिफॉर्म बार होता है. डिफॉर्म बार HYSD में 2 तरह का डिवाइडेड हो गया. अच्छा, हार्ड ड्रॉन स्टील वायर मतलब ये बेसिकली वायर मेश होता है. बेसिकली वायर मेश आता है. अच्छा, रोल स्टील मेंबर मतलब ये आपका आता है स्टील डिजाइन में आता है. जैसे कि मान लो एंगल, कंपोजिट डिजाइन में आता है. जैसे कि मान लो टी सेक्शन, मान लो चैनल सेक्शन. दिस इज योर comes under the steel design. and deformed bar में आता है एक आता है TMT. दिस इज वेरी मच फेमस. TMT मतलब क्या होता है? T का मतलब आता है आपका वही हार्मो, M का मतलब होता है मैकेनिकल, एंड दिस T means treated and just part. and one more आता है, one more thing is CRS bar. C का मतलब होता है corrosion, R means resistant, is for steel. So deformed bar we have divided two parts. One is TMT, another is CRS. So TMT में आता है thermo mechanical treated bar, CRS में आता है corrosion resistant steel. Okay. So this is broadly classification of your steel reinforcement. Hope this is clear. Now we discuss what is the IS code. पूछता है. Previously they are not asking, but nowadays they are asking. जो मन में आता है पूछता है, but it's logical. You should know. You should know. So we make another table for IS code. Type of steel and IS code. So first your CW MS bar, मतलब cold work MS bar. कोल्ड वर्क MS bar. इसका IS कोड क्या होता है? IS 4321996 part. Second, your hot roll mild steel. IS code is your IS 11391966 part 2. In my childhood I thought so this is the two types of the MS. So हो सकता है 432 पार्ट 1 में आएगा फर्स्ट पार्ट एंड 432 में पार्ट 2 में आएगा सेकंड पार्ट. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है, नहीं होता है, मतलब they have some different IS code. Then third is your HYSD. HYSD के लिए IS 17861979. HYSD मतलब स्पेसिफिकली FE 415, FE 500, so on. But hot roll deformed bar. So IS code for this is 11391966 part 2. So अब गौर से देखो 1139 in IS code we will find the two types of bar, that is hot roll MS bar and hot roll deformed bar. Okay. Now next is your roll steel member. IS code is IS 2261975, and these all are the IS code, standard IS code for the steel using for reinforcement. Okay. Now one more thing I will share with you, that is elongation. What is elongation? What is elongation? Suppose this is a bar, okay, and you applied force in this direction. So definitely bar deform हो जाएंगे, थोड़ा लेंथ इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे, राइट? ठीक है ना? So that increased portion is known as elongation, and this elongation by actual length. नहीं, मैं एल नहीं लिखूंगा. एल का मतलब बहुत लोग ये समझता है एरिया इंटू लेंथ. ऐसा नहीं है. एक्चुअल लेंथ इसलिए मैं पूरा लिख रहा हूँ. Actual length, that is equal to your strain. So that is the concept, and that is how you have to link every concept with everything. Anyway, so now we'll talk about the elongation. For mild steel, 23% elongation. HYSD almost 14 to 8%. TMT or corrosion resistant steel bar is almost 12%. Steel wire, it is say 7-8%. tell me one thing in comment section. Why these all value are so much different to others? I will definitely tell you in next video where I discuss the each and every types of steel details. Then I will definitely tell you. But you have to comment in comment section why these all the percentage are different to each other. Okay. So yeah, this is a very short and simple video regarding type of steel using reinforcement. So if I summarize the whole video, then first we talk about the types, then we showing you subtypes, then I will talk about the IS code, and then I talk about the percentage of elongation for every kind of steel bars. So yeah, if you have any kind of doubt, definitely do comment in comment section, and if you feel you find some value from this video, then share the video with your group's circle, because knowledge is the ultimate thing to save you from any kind of situation. Okay, and next video will talk about mild steel reinforcement. Mild steel reinforcement. So till then, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.